Hey lovelies, we're going to work on word problems and number sentences again today. So we have our operations where we've been practicing adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We're reading carefully those story problems. We're imagining them in our minds. We're circling those important words or numbers and underlining those important words to help us figure out what we need to do. So if we are combining parts to make a whole, we're going to add. And if we are combining equal parts and making a whole, we're going to multiply, all right? And if we're separating a part from a whole, so we have the whole, we have the total, we're going to subtract. But if we're separate a whole into equal parts, the key word is equal, so we have the whole right here, and we separate that into equal parts, we're going to divide. Let's practice some more. What symbol makes the number sentence true? 12, 4 equals 8. So I need to think, is it going to be an adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? So what I need to do is I need to find the value on one side of the equal sign. The value of the right side of the equal sign must equal to the value of the left side of the equal sign. So this must equal this part, okay? And the number 8 is on the right side of the equal sign. So the value of the right side of the equal sign is 8. So that means the other part needs to equal 8. So then step 2, we need to make sure that each side of the equal sign equals one another. So the value of the left side of the equal sign must equal to 8. So I have to try to think, what can I do with the numbers 12 and 4 to get 8? You can subtract 4 from 12 to get 8. So then step 3, I would use the symbol that I found. Check the value of the left side of the equal sign. Make sure that's equal to the value of the right side. And when you subtract 12 minus 4, the difference is 8. So the value of the left side of the equal sign is 8. So the value of the right side of the equal sign is also 8. So we have 8 that equals 8. So the subtraction symbol is the one that I would need to use to make that number sentence true. Let's keep practicing in Schoology, friends, and we will continue practicing the rest of the week. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up.